Hey guys, this is just a video on how to get your RGB LED light strip to work. So, first things first, as in one of my other videos, if you haven't watched it, you should check it out. This is always the main thing I do. So with this, take the 4-pin connector out and swap it around this way and plug it back into this thing. So pretty much just swap it around and plug it back in, and it should work. But if that doesn't work, second thing is with the remote. So I have two different remotes, so pretty much the same thing. Like, look, just have to put this here so I can show you. So with the remote, to take the battery out, push this to the right, and then so push it to the right. See that little line? You have to push that to the right and then pull down like that. And now this battery may be old, so you might have to replace it. You can buy these at like cheap shops or like cheap $2 shops, you know, like that. These type of places, they are also called a watch battery. And make sure that when you replace it, to put it back in this way, and to put it this way so the remote is facing the back, exactly like how I'm doing it. And then if I can push it back, push it back up, just like that. So make sure it goes that way, and then yeah, it should work. Obviously it's not working now because I have this disconnected. The third thing is, if it's USB powered, make sure that you have a power source that is giving enough power to the LED light strip. So my Xbox has enough power, so I've got it plugged into the back of my Xbox. Another power source which is really good is using your computer or laptop, because it gives enough power, so you can actually there's enough power going to the strip itself and it can turn on. So just plug it into like one of those, doesn't matter. There. Or I'm not sure if the TV works, but you can try your TV and plug it into that and then turn it on, see if it works. I don't think it works with stereos. I plugged it into the stereo here, into the USB, and it did not work. So try different devices, okay? And yeah, make sure to try that and to see if it works. Hopefully it does. If not, let me know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe and like this video so I can make more for you. And I will show you also the instruction manual. Make sure you read one of these if you get them. If you don't have one and this is the remote that you use, I can show you this in another video as well. But yeah, so try that. Also, I will plug this back in. Okay. And I plugged it in the right way because it's working. And if it doesn't work this way, remember to switch the 4-pin around and then plug it back in and see if it works, because that's the major issue. If not, the last option you can do, trust me, it could be the remote. You might have to just like do this to it and like mash the buttons, like really just go like really hard on them and do this, get angry. I seen a comment that said it worked for them, and other commenting on that comment saying if you hit the remote controller really hard or mash the buttons really hard too, it can actually help. So if nothing else works, try that. Just really give it a bang and see how it goes. So I really hope it works. Let me know, because I want you to be able to use your light strips just like mine. Thank you, and see you in the next video.